last time that I had contact with him was perhaps an hour or 30 minutes before he exited from the Senate because nung nandun na kami sa taas, nag-uusap na kami, tapos nagsabi siya, oh Beth, hindi ka matulog? Hindi ko matulog sa opisina. Siya, ayo, maluwi ko nimo. At ko na lang dito sa hotel na i-book sa akong staff cell mo. Moto, gawas ko. I was even interviewed by some members of the media when I went out from the Senate Hall. And I really did not have any idea that 30 minutes or 1 hour after our last meeting, he exited from the Senate. And when I returned back that day, mga 9:30, I was even asked by the supervisor daw sa attorney, ano bang nagtawag sa'yo para magpunta ka dito? Oh, sila po ba ito? Authorized talaga, alam mo na mga abogado ako eh. Siya nagtawag doon. Hindi naman, wala naman siya. Automatic na yung punta ako dito. Kaya pala nagtanong siya, wala na pala si Senator Padugo.
So,
After that, no contact anymore. But I am in constant contact with the members of the family. Always. Almost,